Magic School has a rubric generator tool. If you go to your teacher tools and search rubric at the top, you'll find the rubric generator. And as always, when using Magic School, just make sure that you change the prompts where necessary. So I'm going to leave it for 8th grade. I'm going to keep that point scale as 3, and then you can fill in the standard and objective, your assignment description, and add in any additional customization for the rubric if possible. You can also input standards. If anything ever appears in the box, you could just delete it, or you could always do clear inputs at the top. I'm going to go ahead and paste my standard from my lesson plan. I'm also going to paste in my objective where I ask students to write a one-page response explaining how a character changes over the course of the story. Then I'm going to put in my assignment description, and of course you could always type this out manually, or you can use the microphone button to use voice to text to put in your input there, and the paperclip always stands for if you want to attach something, so I can always attach my lesson as well. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. If you turn on this web search button, that just means it's going to pull in anything from the web. As we know, AI pulls from years in the past, so it's not always the most up to date. So Magic School has incorporated this web search button in order to come up with the most current responses. So I just like to turn that on just in case, and I'm going to go ahead and click generate. So it's going to come up with a really quick rubric for me. And you can obviously go through that rubric, just make sure that it makes sense for what you're looking for. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can easily copy the rubric, you can edit anything, or you can directly export to Docs or Microsoft Word. And then if there's something missing from the rubric, maybe you want an additional criteria that's not there, you can just use the button at the bottom to ask Magic School to add in a certain criteria or get rid of something, whatever it is that you want to include to change your output.